You are watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Mohammad Abdul Mehboob, and today I am going to explain you the isometric view problem, that is a machine component given in the question. So this is the orthographic view given in the question, front view and top view. With this front view, top view, you have to draw the isometric view of the machine component. So after watching my videos, please practice by yourself, then only you come to understand how to draw this problem. And please, this problem is applicable to diploma, ITI and engineering students, and it is of 10 to 15 marks for different branches. And after watching my videos, please practice by yourself. And I will start my question now. Draw the isometric view of the machine component shown in figure. Okay, this is the front view and top view. This front view I am drawing from here. Okay, you can start from here also with this angle. So front view, whatever in this box figure is there, first you draw that. Automatically you have the front view and top view with the figure. So how much is the distance of this line? I am starting front view from here. So this line is of 100, here it is given the dimension 25, 25, 25. That is of 75 mm. Okay, so 75 mm I will draw here like this on this line first. Okay, then after this height is of 16, how much? 48, means 48 height is there. So we have to draw perpendicular with this line, means a vertical line 48 mm till here it is. Then after this line, only this line we have to draw, that is of dimension 25 mm. So with this angle only we have to draw 25 mm line like this. Okay, now this line is of 16 mm, this much. So vertically only we have to draw 16 mm. Okay, then this line is of 25 mm shown in the figure. Okay, and that one with this parallel line only we have to draw 25 mm. Okay, and this line is of same 16 mm. Vertically we have to draw, and this line is also 25 mm. Okay, this line we have to draw parallel to this angle. There's the remaining line 16 mm you will get automatically here. Join these two. Okay, now from the front view I have drawn this section. This section I am not drawing because it is a cutout section in here. See, in the top view you are having this cutout, having these steps like this. So this much portion. So later on we will do it. First draw the front view, what section you are having, then the top view, means this section we have to draw on the top view. When this is the top view, this top view is exactly resting here like this. Okay, with the same dimension we have to draw here. Okay, means from here, standing from here only we have to copy this top view here. This much is 25, already I am having, and this much is 100 mm. So 100 mm means with this line, parallel line, we have to draw of 100 mm like this. Okay, then this line is of 25, 25, 25, 70 mm. So parallel to this line only we have to draw 75 mm line like this. Okay, and this line is of how much? This is 50. 100 minus 50 will be 50. Okay, that much line we have to draw 50 mm. Means this height is automatically you will have 48 mm. Just join it. Again, also dark this line. Okay, this line is of 50 mm. So with this angle only parallel, we have to draw 50 mm line like this. And this line is also 50 mm. 25 plus 25, 50. So with this angle 50 mm only we have to draw till here. Okay, the remaining line 50 mm automatically you will have. Just join it. Okay, then top view of this figure I have drawn. The remaining these two boxes we have to draw also. So from here, how much is 25 distance? First, this is 25 mm, then having a step, and this having a distance of 25 mm only, and this line is of 50 mm. So with this angle, draw 50 mm line like this, and from here also 50 mm line. This line also 50 mm, yeah. Okay, now from the front, if you see, this is the cutout section I am drawing. From the front you are drawing, this is the front view, so you have to draw from the front only. So this section I am drawing now, means this section is here somewhat, it exactly with this section straight to it. So this height of this line is how much? 16 mm. So from here 16 mm you have to draw like this, and this line is of 25 mm as given in the top view, 25 mm. That line we have to draw parallel to this angle. Sorry, now it is correct. 25 mm. This line is of 16 mm. So vertically we have to draw 16 mm, and this line is also same 25 mm as given in the question. So with this angle only we have to draw 25 mm. Okay, and this line is of 16 plus 16, 32. So automatically you have 32 mm here, see. Okay, this section is visible from the front view, means this step area is this one, and this cutout section is somewhat having the steps, and this section it is, okay, in the front view. And the top view, this section is visible. If you see from this figure from the top, this section is visible. The remaining two, these two rectangles, just we have to draw these lines. Automatically you have that section also. See, from the top this section over, now this rectangle is this one, and this rectangle is this one. This is the complete solution of this figure. Oh guys, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel. And also after watching my videos, please practice by yourself, then only you will come to understand how to draw this problem. So please guys, also press my YouTube channel bell icon to get you the more notifications of other videos. Thank you.